laki ng simbahan na to, no? Grabe. What I can think is maybe this is one of the oldest church in the Philippines. Kasi sobra. Ayan, no? Tignan nyo. Grabe, sobrang ganda niya. Hopefully we can find a better angle or mas maganda-gandang angle. Tignan natin doon kung may makita tayo. Ayun! That's a whole lot better. Grabe. Wow. Super ganda. Diba? I don't know. If only you can imagine kung ano yung feeling ko ngayon. Guys, I have seen one of the oldest church in the Philippines. San Lorenzo Ruiz Church. Very nice. Sobrang gandang church. First time. Actually, ito yung isa sa mga na-amaze talaga ako na simbahan. When was this built? How I wish, no, makaano ta.
Comment guys, kung kailan ito na-build.
Ganda.
Picture na.